Okay, Gemini, help me. Sort these. Yes, that's exactly what I needed. Setting up my Gemini Gems. Narrative, scriptwriter, and meeting minutes. Perfect, ready to go. Gemini Gems streamlines everything. Yes, the prompts are perfect, and the scripts practically write themselves.
Do you want to increase your workflow and significantly reduce your workload? In this tutorial, we are mastering Gemini Gems to build specialized AI assistants tailored to your specific needs. Learn to automate narrative image prompts, professional script writing from templates, and even meeting minutes, all while maintaining perfect consistency. Let's dive in and transform your daily productivity. Okay, how do we leverage Gemini Gems as an AI assistant to increase our workflow and reduce our workload? Okay, you must have your Gmail account, and you go to the right hand side here. You can see, you scroll down, you see Gemini. Gemini here is owned by Google. You click on Gemini, you click on it, then it takes you to Google Gemini interface. So we are in Google Gemini interface now. So if you want to access Gems itself, you can see here, Gems here. You can see Gems here. You click on this. Okay, it opens a different interface. Here you see Gem Manager. These ones are under experimentation. You can see now I have a gem that I created already. So I'm going to delete it. This is it. I'm going to delete it. Okay, deleted. So what we are going to do is to create a new gem. This is it, a new gem. You click on new gem. Now, what is the name of new gem? You can say, if what you always want to be doing is to always generate prompt, you want to generate prompt from what you do, from the storylines that you always create on a daily basis, maybe on weekly basis, you can say prompt generator. So that is what this Gemini this gem is made for. So describe your gem and explain what it does. Okay, you can say it generates image prompts from a story. Then you can come here, you can click on instructions. You have to give it a specific instructions. You can say generate image prompt from a story. Okay, every scene of the story should have at least one image prompt. That's it. You have at least one image prompt. So the AI knows what you are thinking. So definitely you come to this place, use Gemini to rewrite instructions. So you can click on this icon. So it will help you rewrite the instruction, based on what you were trying to write. You don't need to be an English language guru. You don't need, just write in a simple word, simple words, what you think that you want to write about. Okay, you can say unable to rewrite. You can just rewrite again. Okay, you can see now you have it has helped you to rewrite what you have. Say purpose and goals. Translate narrative text and stories into vivid descriptive image prompts optimized for AI image generation too. That is exactly what I had in my mind. Analyze story structures to identify key scenes, ensuring every distinct narrative bit is captured virtually. Okay, you can see now. Maintain visual continuity by identifying recurring characters. Yeah, that is behavior and role. Story analysis and scene mapping. Carefully read the provided story and segment it into logical scenes based on shift in ideation, time, or significant action. That is exactly what I want. Prompt engineering guideline. Use descriptive sensory language to define the subject, setting, lighting. Yeah, that is it. Incorporate artistic styles if requested, or suggest a style that fits the story mode. Yeah, you can suggest a style. Focus on showing, not telling. Describe the visual elements so it helps you. You see, this is the gems you're creating, okay, including overall tones. Okay, this is what I want for now. I want Gems to generate image prompt for every story I paste. So I'm going to be saving it now. I'll click on save. Okay, now to test it now, I'm going to come here. You can see here. I'm coming here, ask Gemini, prompt generator. It generates image prompt from a story. Okay, so I have a story, an African story under The Lion and the Animal, a traditional African folk story by Ikena Molobe. Okay, that should be from Nigeria. So I have this story, I copy it, then I just paste it. Then I can decide to, okay, flash all round up. Okay, this is okay. So I just click submit. Let me see what it will create for us. You can see now. Okay, let me go there. Let me go there properly. Let's see what we have here. We have a prompt generator already. We're already doing that. Okay, let me paste it again. Let's see what we have here. Okay, story analysis and scene mapping. Good. Scene 1, the great farmer. The context is included. That's the first scene. Based on the instruction, the context, okay, this is it. The prompt, the image prompt, okay. Scene 2, the context, okay. The prompt, you can see the image prompt, okay. This is nice. The antelope warning, scene 3. Wow. You can see now, okay, you can see the outcome fate. It has been able. See, you can see the way it did it. It's like it divided into 4 scenes based on the story I posted. So I want to do something else too, something different. So you come to the left hand side, you can see gems here. You can see one of the gems I created is prompt generator. I can click it again. I have to go back there. I've clicked it again, or go to gems. Okay, go and search for it. This is it. I have it here. This is it. You can see now prompt generator. I can just click on, you can share this. You can also look at this option. You can pin it. You can make a copy. You can delete. You can create a new shot. But I want to edit it. Okay, I want to edit it. So why do I want to edit it? I want it to include. Are you getting it now? Okay, I want it to include, okay, animation prompt. Okay, I can just say include animation prompt, okay, for each scene. Animation prompt, include an animation prompt for each scene. So I'm going to use Gemini to rewrite the instruction. Okay, I have it already now. Okay, you see now it says translate narrative text and story into vivid descriptive image prompt, optimize for AI generator, analyze story structure, okay, maintain visual, provide specialized animation prompt for every scene to describe motion, camera movement, and temporal changes. So that is it. I have it already. I'll just click on update. I've updated the gem I created. Update. Okay, the next thing is to go to start chat. You can decide to test it here, or you go to our start chat. Okay, you have it now. So I have to paste the story again. Let's see what it gives to us. You can see now, scene 1, the desperate search. The context image prompt is there. You can see animation prompt is there. That is it. Image prompt, animation prompt is there. Scene 2, you have image prompt, animation prompt is there. So you can configure your gem to always bring out the pattern of output. I can also include voiceover. I can decide to include voiceover, because if I create the image using the image prompt and I create the animation using animation prompt, so there will be a voiceover that tells the story. Okay, let us create another gem. For example, let's look at this gem. Okay, let's create new gem. I will call it script writer. Yeah, it's going to help me to create a short movie script. Okay, generate a short Okay, let me say generate a movie script from a story. Okay, from a story instruction. Okay, I want you to generate a script from a story based on the attached template. Okay, based on what? The attached template. Okay, so I am going to rewrite it. Let me click rewrite. Okay, this is it. We have it there. You have it there. Okay, based on the attached template. Okay, I have to come down here. You can see add files for gem to reference. Okay, add files, upload files. You can see script writing format here. I have a script writing format that I've attached. Okay, and this is the script writing format from San Jose State University Writing Center. You can see the script. This is the format. This is it. This is the script writing format. This is it. Okay, it's going to generate a script based on the attached format. I've attached the format. Okay. I can say based on I can say, okay, attach script writing format, so that it's got to be specific. Okay, that is it. What I'm going to do is to save. Click on save. So we have a new gem now, and the new gem says Gem scriptwriter has been created. Okay, start chat. Click on start chat. That is good. Okay, I have a script writer now. I have a script writer. All I need to do is to copy it with the title, everything, this story. It's going to help me to convert it to a script. I'm going to create, submit. Let's see what we have. Wow, this is just it. This is it. We have it already. We have the script already. You can see now. You can see this is a plain text. You can download the code. You can decide. We can say you generate it in a PDF format. It will definitely recreate it in a Word format or PDF format. It will do that for you. So we have a wonderful gem. Let's look for another gem. Let's look at another gem now. Let's look at another gem now. And this one has to do with writing a minute, the format for writing a minute. Okay, you can say minute writer. Okay, format for writing minute of a meeting. Okay, that's it. Okay, format. Okay, generate. Write the minute of a meeting based on the information provided. Okay, I need a format. Okay, let me say, okay, let's see. Minute writer, you want to write minute. Okay, you can say writing minute for a meeting. Let me correct this. And you always have a format. You have a format when you're writing minute for a meeting. You can see now. This is it. Overall tone, professional. You can change it if you want. You can see all the format. Drafting the minute. Organize the content into the following sessions. You have the format with you. Meeting title, date and time, attendees, present, and all this. So you have all this. All you need to do is to upload the information. When you save it, when you are querying it, just add files. I say based on the informations in this file, write the minute of the meeting. That's all. The date, everything, is going to write it for you. So I don't want us to go further. This is how to leverage Gemini Gems in reducing your workload. If you have a daily activities, you need an AI assistant that understands the format and the template to help you create content using this powerful AI tool. Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching this tutorial. Please, I want you to subscribe to my channel.